Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so I'm trying to chart this one when it was like down here, and it just keeps on moving and moving and moving, and it's going up like 30 something percent from here to here. Now it's a smaller market cap coin, so these can move very fast. But I'm trying to post it, but again, it's already moving too much. It already moved like 10, 15% as I'm trying to chart this like super quick. But just gonna have to wait now. Wait and see what it does. Hopefully it pulls back, and hopefully I'll post this one later on tomorrow, I guess, or later on today. It's already 12:30 in the morning. All right, that's all I got. So this is not an official setup. We have to wait because it just moving too much. Look at all these other candles. Look how small they are. So this one already it just moved too much. I don't want it to do this where it pumps and then it dumps and then takes it all back. It pumps and it dumps and takes it all back. So could it go all the way to 100% right now? Sure, anything can happen, especially with it being a slow market. But again, it's just too high risk. So I just didn't get out fast enough. All right, that's all I got. Thank you so much. This is not an official chart. Give you a heads up. I just wanted to let you know that, you know, as tempting as it is, we just got to wait for that pullback. So more than likely later on today, maybe like in 12 hours or so, we'll see what happens. There's the 4-hour candles. We'll see if it retraces. If it just goes all the way to the moon, then we just look for another coin. All right, thanks so much. Now, just to give you a heads up, guys, like these AI tokens, they started to take off. There was one of them, I completely missed it. I don't know if the alert went off and I just didn't pay attention, or I checked it and then it just went like the next couple of hours. There was one that did like 100 and something percent. And we missed it. You know, it's going to happen. All right. That's all I got. I'm probably going to get some rest and then start up in the morning again. All right. Thank you so much. Take care.